Think you need perfect credit to buy a home? A lot of people do, and it's just not true. If you've been turned down by a traditional bank, don't give up. They probably didn't tell you about the other loan programs out there for people in your exact situation. I'm going to show you how it's possible to buy a mobile home, even with a credit score in the 500s. So stick around, and I'll show you how to get the keys to your own place. So, your first big option could be an FHA loan, which is backed by the government to help more people become homeowners. Now, here's how it works for mobile homes. The standard FHA minimum is a 580 credit score, which lets you get in with a really low 3.5% down payment. But what if your score is lower? If you're between a 500 and 579, it's not an automatic no. Some lenders might be able to get you approved with a 10% down payment. It's not a guarantee and often requires extra steps, but it's definitely an option worth asking a lender about. This loan is the one you'll want if you're putting the home on a permanent foundation on land that you own. Alright, what if that FHA loan doesn't quite fit? That brings us to option number 2, a chattel loan. The easiest way to think about this is it's more like a loan for personal property, kind of like a car loan, but for your house. This is the go-to option if you're putting your home in a mobile home park and leasing the land. Lenders for these can be more flexible, and some will work with credit scores as low as 500. What's the catch? The interest rates are usually a little higher than what you'd get with an FHA loan, but it's a solid path to getting a home. Okay, so what should you do right now? First, start saving for that down payment. Seriously, every little bit you can put away helps, and showing a lender you have some skin in the game can make a real difference. After that, you need to find the right people to talk to. Start looking for lenders that specialize in manufactured home loans, not just any mortgage broker. Look, don't let a 3-digit number stop you from going after your goals. Between FHA programs and chattel loans, you have real, workable options to become a homeowner. It'll take some legwork, but that dream of having your own front door is way more achievable than you probably think.